We have entered week 3 of the Larry Millete murder trial. Prosecutors started with neighborhood surveillance video that shows the Chula Vista mother the day they say she was killed, while the defense continues to argue a murder never even happened. News 8's Jenny Day is once again live from the South Bay Courthouse with more from the lead investigator on this case. Jenny?
Yeah, so it was the lead investigator, Jesse Vicente from the Chula Vista Police Department, who was back on the stand today, really all day, talking with jurors about the hundreds of hours of video surveillance that they combed through the day that Maya disappeared, as well as the days after. Now, jurors also heard the voice of one of the couple's children, really an emotional moment, pointing to the fact that there are several victims in this case.
Maya and Larry Millete's son speaking to his mom just 4 hours before police say she was killed. Maya returned home from that car wash in her Jeep at 4:43 p.m. Prosecutors say these are her last known moments alive. Neighborhood surveillance video then captures 6, maybe 7 loud bangs between 8:45 and 10 on the evening of January 7th, 2021. The lead detective testifying Chula Vista police were never able to determine what exactly those bangs were. Starting then at 6 the next morning, January 8th, 2021, cameras pick up Larry's Lexus SUV move closer to the house, backing into the driveway. He then leaves at 6:45 a.m. and is gone for nearly 12 hours. Prosecutors allege Larry loaded Maya into the back and dumped her body some 200 miles away. Larry has always maintained he took his son to the beach and says his phone was dead all day. So while so much was captured on camera, again, Chula Vista police saying they looked at hundreds of hours of video, they say not once does it ever show Maya leave again.
You may continue with your cross-examination.
Prosecutors had him repeat this several times. The defense, however, questioned a 7-minute gap in the video after midnight, questioned some of the accuracy of the timestamps, and pointed to the fact it was Vicente's first homicide investigation, asking him about his training when it comes to preserving a crime scene versus looking for a missing person. New today, that lead detective also says they observed a freezer being wheeled out on a dolly to Larry's aunt's vehicle on January 9th, 2021. He also noted it was odd that Larry repositioned Maya's Jeep a few times in those first few days.
Now, again, this lead investigator says that they looked into more than 150 tips from the public, with none of them ever leading to Maya. The defense continues to suggest that the man who Maya was having an affair with was never thoroughly investigated. They also pointed to the fact that there's lots of other surveillance video that shows that Larry had reversed, pulled into his driveway that way several other times before. I can tell you, as someone who is sitting just feet away from Larry in court day after day, he, as well as the jury, are just looking very intently at the screen and taking notes as all of this video surveillance is being played in court. Testimony continues tomorrow. We are live in Chula Vista. Jenny Day, News 8.
Thanks, Jenny. You can watch our coverage of the Millete case with the CBS 8 app on your phone or TV. Stream now for free.